Welcome. The old is gold in the best car review. The 1958 Chevrolet Corvette stands as one of the most iconic sports cars of its era, representing a bold step forward for American performance and design. As part of the first-generation C1 Corvette lineup, this model year introduced dramatic styling changes, improved performance, and refined interior features. With its striking looks and thrilling driving experience, the 58 Corvette remains a favorite among collectors and enthusiasts. Under the hood, the 1958 Corvette offered a range of powerful engine options. The base model came equipped with a 283 cubic inch V8, producing 230 horsepower, but buyers could opt for higher output versions, including fuel-injected variants pushing up to 290 horsepower. Paired with a 3-speed manual transmission, with optional 4-speed or automatic, the Corvette delivered exhilarating acceleration and a top speed exceeding 120 miles per hour. A revised suspension system improved handling, making it a true driver's car that could compete with European sports cars of the time. The 1958 Corvette introduced some of the most eye-catching design elements in the model's history. Featuring quad headlamps, a longer and wider body, and striking chrome accents, this Corvette exuded 1950s flair. The signature side coves, available in contrasting colors, added to its dynamic look. One of the most distinctive features was the louvered hood and trunk spears, styling cues unique to this model year. Wrapped in vibrant colors like Signet Red, Snowcrest White, and Panama Yellow, the 58 Corvette was built to turn heads. Inside, the Corvette combined sportiness with a touch of luxury. A redesigned dashboard housed a full array of gauges, placing vital information directly in the driver's line of sight. The dual cockpit layout, inspired by jet aircraft, created an immersive driving experience. Leather bucket seats provided comfort and support, while options such as a Wonderbar radio and power windows added a touch of sophistication. The Corvette's interior was designed not just for style but also for function, making it an enjoyable place to be on long drives or spirited sprints. As a high-performance sports car, the 1958 Corvette wasn't built with fuel economy as a priority. However, thanks to its relatively lightweight fiberglass body and efficient small-block V8, it delivered respectable mileage for a powerful car of its era. Owners could expect around 12 to 16 miles per gallon, depending on driving conditions and engine choice. While not an economy car, the Corvette's efficiency was reasonable compared to other performance vehicles of the 1950s. The 1958 Chevrolet Corvette is a timeless classic that perfectly embodies the spirit of American performance and design. With its bold styling, powerful V8 engines, and refined interior, it remains one of the most desirable Corvettes ever produced. Whether admired for its historical significance or enjoyed for its thrilling driving experience, the 58 Corvette continues to captivate automotive enthusiasts and collectors alike.